Welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we discussed about number system. We have seen four types of important number system, that is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Today we are going to discuss two important codes converter associated with the binary number systems, that is access3 code and gray code converter. Code converting is the process of translating the input information which can be understandable by the machine or a particular device. This process can be used for security purpose to protect the information from stealing or interrupting. Actually, this is not the latest trend. In previous days also, the king of the kingdom used to send the information to other kingdom with some code words. The code converter are used to convert the information into the codes which we want. Let us discuss access3 code. Access3 code is self-complementary code. It means that it is an unnatural BCD code. Self-complementary code are the code that have the property that ninth implement of a decimal number is obtained directly by replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1s. Access3 code is a non-weighted code. It means that it is a unweighted code. Non-weighted or unweighted code are those code in which digital value does not depend upon their position. In binary number systems like the octal, hexadecimal, we have seen we were converting the one number into the another number by the multiplication of 2 raised to power 0 by 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2 or 8 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 1, 8 raised to power 2 or 16 raised to power 0 and others. But this access3 code is a non-weighted code. Access3 code is the code in which conversion can be done in both direction, BCD to access3 and access3 to BCD. And in access3 code there is no limit to the number to be converted to the bits. Let us take an example. We are supposed to convert 1010 into a access3 code. Here we will add the 3 decimal, that is 11 in this case. By adding these 11 in BCD code, we will have the result of access3 code. In this case, 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1 and 11 will be equal to 0 with 1 carry. 1 will be added with 0, that will give us 1 and MSB will be direct. So in this way, the BCD 1010 is converted into 1101, that is the access3 code. This table represents the various decimal numbers which are first converted into the BCD number. Then the access3 code of all BCD numbers is shown in the column number 3. In this case, we can clearly see that each BCD is added with 0011, that is the 3 decimal to each decimal, and the result is the access3 code of the corresponding BCD number. Let us take another example. This BCD number is binary number is converted into the access3 code. First we will make the pairs of this binary number. Now we will add the 3 in both the BCDs. We will have the result like this, and now this BCD number is converted into the XS3 code, and this is the result of the problem. The circuitry of binary to XS3 code converter is shown here in this slide. We will discuss the designing of the circuitries in coming videos. This is the circuit of binary to XS3 code converter. Now let us discuss the gray code system. Gray code system is a non-arithmetic code. It is a binary number system in which every successive pair of number differs in only one bit. Gray code is also non-weighted code. It is the code in which digit values does not depend upon their position like the XS3 code. Gray code are those codes in which one bit changes from every successive pairs, and these are the codes which are again converted from gray to BCD and binary or BCD to gray code. The gray codes are not limited to the codes which are the amount of error that can occur when several bits changes between the numbers. Means gray code are those code in which one bit changes for every successive pair. These are not limited to a very limited bits. Now let us see the conversion of binary to gray code. Let we suppose 1100 is to convert it into gray code. In this case, we will select the MSB of this BCD. The MSB of this BCD is 1. This will directly become the first number of the gray code. Then we will select the next digit of the BCD number. This number will be added with the previous MSB, and the result will be the gray code number. Similarly, we will select the next number is 0. This 0 will be added with the previous binary code, and the result will give us the gray code. Now we will select the next one. The next bit is 0. This bit will be added with the previous bit, and the result of 0 plus 0 will be equal to 0. In this way, 1100 is converted into a gray code in which MSB does not changes as a result of conversion in the case of the first number. Now in this table we can see the decimal, BCD and gray code. In this case, every case of BCD is converted into the corresponding gray code. Here we can comment the advantage of gray code over the BCD. In BCD system, we are looking many change in every successful pairs. Please see one successive pair of let we take 3 and 4. In this case, from 3, that is 0011 to 4, that is 0100. There are 3 changes. Therefore, there is high chance of a wrong state being read while the system changes from initial state to final state. This could have a serious consequence for the machine using the information. But in the same case, 3 and 4, In gray code, we are looking that in this case only one bit is changing, that is 0011 is changing into 0010. Due to this it is used in application in which the normal sequence of binary number generated by the hardware may produce an error or some ambiguity during the transition from one number to the next number. So the gray code is used to remove this kind of the ambiguity. Now let us see the gray code to binary code conversion. Let me suppose 1010 is a gray code which is to be converted into the binary code. Here we will select the MSB. The MSB of this gray code is 1. This will directly become the MSB of binary code. Now the next bit of gray code is 0. This 0 will be added with the binary code MSB, that is 1, and 1 and 0 will give us 1. The next bit is 1 in the gray code, and this 1 bit is added with the previous binary code bit, that is 1 and 1, which will give us 1 0. Here we will use the 0 as a result, 1 we will leave. Now next bit is 0. This 0 will be added with the previous binary code, that is 0. 0 plus 0 will be equal to 0. In this way the gray code 1010 is converted into 1100 as a binary code. In this case again MSB is not changing in the result, and we are starting the MSB of the gray code for the MSB to the binary code, and this is repeated till we reach to the last bit. Now again here we are showing the circuit of binary to gray code converter, and this circuit shows the gray code to binary code converter. These will be more clear when we will discuss the designing of the circuits. Thank you very much. Namaskar.